Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Paris, France, and it's dinner time. It's kind of rainy and nasty outside, and so I don't get to go out and unless I want to go out in the rain, but I can wait. I'm here for a long time, so I figure I might as well cook. So I've got some chili on the stove, and can you see that? Yeah, that's chili, and it's cooking and all that stuff. But I also wanted to show you, the things I bring with me and the things I buy. Let's go look. Bye-bye. Are you ever amazed at how much crap you end up bringing and buying at the stores? So I bought a loaf of bread, really nice, and I bought a bag of onions, and I bought a bag of potatoes, and some apples, and some tomatoes. I've eaten a lot of those, and some pretzels, and I gotta have my bag of gummy bears, and I gotta have a whole shitload of rice, and my Equal and Splenda, or just Splenda, and my tea, Ziploc bags, and then this will make you guys all laugh. You ready for this? So I'm tight. Money is tight. So I have packets of chili, and I have packets of, what else do I have in here? I mean, I have every kind of packet I can get. So there's Mongolian beef, and then here's sweet and sour chicken, and here's chili, and here's sweet and sour pork, and here's beef and broccoli, and there's another beef and broccoli, and then there's what is this one? Oh, sesame chicken, and then there's a General Tso's chicken, and then there's a shitload of chili and sloppy Joe mix, and hot and spicy Szechuan, and hot and spicy Kung Pao chicken, lettuce wraps. All this I brought. But you just go out and buy some meat and some vegetables and you're always done. Anyway, I know. Go ahead, give me crap. I get it. Oh, do you guys bring your own knife? I bring my own knife, my own sharpener, and it's got a whistle on it too, and a sharpener this way too, flint and steel. Anyway, you don't need to know all that. Bye-bye. Well, I can't seem to get the broiler to come on. It seems like it's getting warm, but there's no broiler. And I've tried different settings and everything else under the sun, but I can't get the broiler to come on. So I had to fall back to my next option, and my next option is an air fryer. Have you ever done a green chili or a chili in air fryer to get the skin off? Sometimes you just got to be creative and make it happen, right? That, or I was gonna have to build a fire on the deck. But we know how that goes. Okay, bye everybody. Who is your daddy? Your big bad daddy? Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Ooh, look at that little thing steaming. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cut that up and stick it in my chili I'm making. Oh my gosh, I bought bell peppers and wow, that's hot. Okay, bye-bye. Well, it's a pretty rainy day. You can see from my thing that it's all pretty nasty, but here is my finished product thus far. This is my chili, bell pepper, corn, kidney beans, white beans, brown beans, hamburger, onions, and a chili. So it could be a little warm chili, but I'm gonna let it simmer and cook for probably an hour or two, and I hope the rain stops, but it's already about 2:30. So anyway, there's my chili, everybody. Bye.